Kofi Oduro Edisam Sembi Abafa a year Burkina Faso president na John Dramani ni swearing no opiemu ewahano what the moon sem kakra aba any dear mu amesese obe like Attention TV no subscribe Attention TV na wasanso ashe ama ye jaw comment na ye twi adwuma na bom na wasanso abo eye notification bell no senia bibia de betum bia obete kenkran e wo phone so na chese Attention TV e de bibi foforo atuma obebo hwi akohwenti ponche eye adoma ne so mayen kakra Prophet Kofi Oduro da Alabaster Ministry International ano ewo tesa no wo say Ghana for bebre na bi e kasetia eye Burkina Faso president no oye young guy a utum se nani edimpa e was soldier adwuma so oye ku na otu eye Burkina president owo so a wo no ebesi so no obeka se ye nua ba ya fiaswa snega kra ebe twetwe no ka se wo no a wapie mu Ghana no hwan na afre no anase hwan kra na si ni president ntia wonya sa den no aba Ghana say woba eye John Dramani MAHAMA ne swearing in Prophet Kofi Oduro say wobia sebi wobia shut up wobia kana num to Ghana for ade papa ba na sa ade papa wo fia ye hunu sa young man we oye so gene Burkina no we to me this $12,000 na papa bi ekufo ado ka say wono ode ba be 1 district 1 dam no wono to me dia tomatoes factory wo Burkina ho a ehonum krom wo fo no enya adwuma eye won se sika fia wa no anase se sika na o mampani ekufo ado ka se wono ba village bia obe yisu sa sika no for one village no sa sika kro na sa young man we so jeni eye Burkina Faso president wo de bie campaign kese pa eye tomato krom ho de memu ane mrantie de wo manya adwuma ye ewo krom nti Ghana fo asabi ye nim nyansa de papa ye mpe no sanka president ewo Ghana ha say ya anka ono no bedi ekufo ado side ewo that time na anka Ghana ha ye koye nim mientie Prophet Kofi Oduro emra.
Now look at the Burkinabe leader who came to the investiture of our president. I was carefully observing the young man. Took over power in 2022. 2022 till now, the impact Burkina Faso have made. And we are sitting here and we were talking nonsensical madness against that. He's a coup maker. He took gun and came to power. Those of you who have not taken gun, what have you been able to achieve? A month ago, this young man commissioned a tomato factory, $12 million. You people said you were building a dam with $12 million. Where is the dam? Where is your dam? This young man is a sensible human being. Sensible human being. And he is working. The people feel he is some kind of an idol. The work where on my undiska obekum onem obebo utiri mutu. He will shoot you in the head. Try and chop money in the government of this young man. Yeah. And we allow somebody with a gun to come close to our president. So the funny police for now Independence Square. You are too much hypocritical people. Hey, young man, continue your work. A young man can build tomato factory, build schools. He has shut his doors. Someone say ECOWAS. I didn't care about your ECOWAS. Now look at a leader comes and invites this young man. He's seeing that this young man. But your margin is too fast. I haven't said. I am only pointing my head. Sorry, Apple. Sorry. You know, His Excellency, the President, right now, we congratulate you, Mr. President, on your investiture, and we also celebrate and praying for you. But the truth is that many people wish that you fail. Yeah. Many people are praying that you will fail. Many people have put their foot down, let things go wrong, then we talk about. Therefore, be careful. Be careful. Your Excellency, be careful. Be very careful. Because 2025 man, we need now careful. Sister, be careful. I'm telling you. Yes, some of video. Video. Your least mistake, you are history.
Prophet Kofi Oduro se will be ankana nuntum Burkina president no ye ka president ai wo hwe kurosu me ye yi a wo ka ho bi tie papa ye tie makra